Day 78 of the rest of my life. 78 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today is National MUEL Day. National MUEL Day. If this is your first video that you're watching, you probably are going to see National MUEL Day throughout the previous videos. I mention it in almost every single video because it is our annual event where we come together as a community to talk about purpose, talk about passion, talk about what MUEL is, and talk about how MUEL benefits you. So today is National MUEL Day. It is October 26th, and every October 26th is National MUEL Day, and we give back. And we give back to people in need, we give back to the community, we give back resources, knowledge, information, and we connect on this day. And this day is very special to me because it is a symbol, and it is a day where I get to show my appreciation, and I get to show how grateful I am for every single member of the community, whether you've given me one view to purchasing a product of ours. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me, and I look forward to serving you throughout our time together on this earth and helping you reach your potential, helping you maximize your life, helping you on your journey, and in turn continuing to add value for each other. There's a bunch of ladybugs around me. Anyway, I've been live all day on YouTube Live, and I started off the day hot. I want to do a recap of National MUEL Day. I started off hot. I woke up this morning and I didn't prepare at all because I didn't want to do too much and I didn't want to do too little. So I allowed myself to do what was necessary, and I waited. I didn't procrastinate. I purposely waited until the very last moment to draft up my emails and draft up my SMS texts to reach out to the members of the community. And then I tried to rush to prepare the camera setup for the stream, and poor preparation leads to poor performance. So I should have had that already set up and had the OBS and the streaming platform already opened up to connect my camera. I was poorly prepared. I was late to my own event. I was 2 minutes late to start the live because I was struggling trying to figure out how to get this camera going. Next National MUEL Day, and for my next live streams, I need to make sure that I'm more than prepared for what is to come. Have the water, the tissues ready, my nose was running. You know, I did do my morning routine, so I'm happy I took care of myself before coming on live stream. I need to make sure next time I'm more prepared. I was very excited talking about National MUEL Day, talking about where I see the brand going, our vision, how we add value to your life. I got a lot of good feedback from my friends and my family and the people who have been following this journey. I got a lot of good guidance. I got a lot of good advice. I spoke with my man's Reek Jones and my man's Angelo. I want you guys to go check out their channels too. The link will be in this description. We had great conversations. I want you guys to really take what you need from those conversations and use it on your journey. I want to personally thank everyone who is a part of the community who purchased. Even if you got a shirt for $0.99, I appreciate you. The money is not important to me. The impact is all that matters. And I want to make sure that I'm serving my community and benefiting you on your journey so we can grow together. Let's go through 1 through 20, because we have 24 shirts total and I have one of them. So there's 3 left and somebody got 2. And I'll give a brief background of who these people are if I know them. Tell you guys what they got going on. So my man John White was our very first MUEL, and he was the first person to join the community. And John White is very special. He's a very special person to me, and he's a former teammate of mine, longtime friend, and I'm super grateful for you, John. Thank you for being the very first person to support me, to join the community. He's also growing a social media following himself. He's a model. He has an art page, Smooth Arts. He's based out of Boston, Massachusetts. He's very, very, very skilled with the camera, and he's very skilled with graphic design, and he takes a lot of high quality pictures. His art is amazing. And I haven't even gotten the opportunity to look through all that he's created, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Like, he can draw, he can create album covers, he can create whatever you need, wallpapers, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Like, I didn't know he was this good. I appreciate you so much, John. You guys go check him out. If you need any artwork done, any photography work in the Boston, Connecticut, New York area, John is the person for you. The second mule is Tyreek Jones. Me and Reek Jones, had a discussion today. I want you guys to check that out. Everything you need to know is on his page and on my page. There's a live stream of us doing a little Q&A talking about Reek and his journey and how far he's come. He's helped me so much. I want you guys to go check that out and subscribe to Reek Jones right now and check out our live stream. There's too much to be said, and everything you need to know is in that video. Reek is a tremendous creator, tremendous basketball player, tremendous friend, and I appreciate him. Chris Vale. Chris, my fucking guy. I appreciate you, bro. Chris is a longtime friend of mine. He's a creative. He's a musician. He is extremely talented at what he does. And he is releasing music weekly, monthly. He is a grinder like ourselves. He embodies what it means to be a mule, embodies what it means to be a creative, and is on a journey himself. In his bio, you can get directly to his music. Go to distrokid.com. You'll see his Spotify. You'll see previews, his Apple Music, his iTunes, and go purchase a song. He has a song out right now, Summer Nights, fire, extremely talented, range, everything you need. Soundtrack for your journey. And we got my man James Adams. James Adams, me and James, we played a lot of basketball together. Unfortunately, James and I haven't had the opportunity to connect as much as I would like. I'm in PA now, so I would love to be able to connect more with you, to get in the gym, lift, hoop, hang out, spend some time together. James is extremely talented at basketball, and I hope he's still hooping. I haven't seen any updates on his basketball career. I know you need help on your journey. If you need some training advice, I'd be happy to help you. And I definitely want to connect more with you. From what I've seen on your Instagram, from what I know from you as a person, you're an amazing guy. And I appreciate you so much. I'm so happy that you're a part of this community. And I'm so happy to be able to share these moments with you. Him and his sister, Alana. I know Alana a little bit more. Alana was in the same grade as me. Amazing person. You know, very caring. Very kind. She shares the messages that I've been putting out on the internet. James and Alana have been extremely helpful and extremely supportive, and I appreciate you both so much. Many more free gifts for you guys to come. You guys are lifetime members. Everyone, the first 24, even if you got a free shirt, you get a lifetime discount just for believing in me, just for taking a chance, just for being a part of this journey. Your shirts are coming very, very soon. There's been a little bit of a hiccup, but we're working through it. Appreciate you guys both. Alexis Harris. I met Alexis down in Fayetteville when I was at school. And Alexis is a very kind person. She's very caring. I had the opportunity to speak with Alexis for a little bit when I was working at the Fayetteville Stingers. And she was doing some volunteer work with the school. She worked at Methodist University, and she was down at the game. And we had the opportunity to connect. I'm so happy I got the opportunity to meet with her. Very kind, caring, loving person. I'm glad we got to cross paths. I appreciate you, Alexis, and I'm happy we get to share this journey together. Jordan Carr, my manager, my dog. I wish we got to spend more time together. I really appreciate the moments that we had. Jordan taught me so much about sales, about how to sell, how to connect, how to find people's needs, and how to meet those needs. And we had the opportunity to work together at Enterprise, and we spent some time hooping, going to the studio, going out to eat, and she really took me under her wing and taught me a lot about sales, and a lot about life, and a lot about interacting with people, and a lot about art too. And I'm so happy that, you know, we can share this journey together, Jordan. This means a lot to me that you believed in me enough to take a chance on my dream, and I can't wait to be able to pay you guys back with the connections and resources and information and knowledge that we are pulling together here at MUEL, and to be able to foster the growth of your musical careers. Jordan is also a creative. She is a rapper. She's more than a rapper. She's a musician. She's extremely talented. I want you guys to go check out her music. Nah, she be talking her shit, bro. She be talking that talk. She is really tough as shit. So I want you guys to go check out her album, Flea University. Link is in her bio. And your girlfriend's favorite girlfriend. So she will take your bitch. Now you're going to cat with you. So, appreciate you, Jordan. Everett, a family friend Dana's son. But Dana, I appreciate you for tapping in with me. Dana helped me out when I was making a transition from Drexel University to Johnson & Wales. And Dana made sure that he connected me to the coach who gave me the opportunity to join the team and to start my college basketball career. So Dana, I appreciate you. You really helped me out a lot. He was my dad's roommate in college at University of Rhode Island, and I look forward to connecting with you again. I appreciate you so much. My man Jasper, man. Jasper has his own brand. Jasper is a dog. And Jasper, like myself, recently started our clothing brands around the same time. And I want to make sure I give you guys his @ Jasper is an extremely caring. He's a hard worker. He helped me out, and we bounced ideas off each other, and we spoke about what our plans are. He helped me understand where I'm at in my process, and he's also allowed me to grow as a clothing brand owner. Jasper has a clothing brand himself. I want you guys to go purchase one of Jasper's shirts right now. Make sure you guys follow him, follow his message. I appreciate you so much, Jasper. You took a chance when not a lot of people were taking a chance on MUEL, and I appreciate you so much. My man, Miles Hernandez. Miles is a dog. As soon as I started my TikTok, I saw Miles. We came across each other's social media platforms. I saw him on TikTok. He creates content for people, edits content for people. He creates websites. He does web developing, and he does marketing. Content creation coach. And he creates websites that sell. He coaches creators and turns your old efforts into new views. So I will definitely be tapping in with Miles. I can't wait to work with him. And he can turn all these videos that I have and all this content that I've been creating. I'm going to literally give him my whole entire hard drive and see what he can do. And work with him to get my content to the level that it needs to be to reach the masses and reach the people who need to be in MUEL and who need to be in this community and who we need to impact and help them on their journeys. So I'm super excited to work with Miles in the future. He bought 2 MASCOT tees. But this is a message from Miles. No doubt, let everyone know that it's impossible to fail as long as you keep going. The ride is worth it. Stay at it and keep hustling. My guy, I appreciate you, Miles. And then after, my man, Coach Dave. Coach Dave, I appreciate you so much. Dave has been a mentor, a friend, and a coach all in one. Before I went to Fayetteville to play basketball for Methodist University, Dave and I worked together throughout the whole entire summer. After I was having trouble getting on my grind, I was working with a trainer who didn't really understand how to push me and get me to the best of my abilities, and Dave was there to get me back on the right path, get me back on the right track, and help me finish off my basketball career strong. Dave, I appreciate you. You're making a tremendous impact in the world and in the basketball sphere, in sports in general. If you guys are in the Long Island, New York metropolitan area, go check out Dave and AJ. Both tremendous, prolific coaches, trainers. Not only can help you become a better basketball player, but become a better athlete in general. And they have helped me so much throughout my journey. Definitely go check out Coach Dave. I'm going to give you guys his @ help me with my mindset specifically. Very great name. And he's a dog. I feel like I keep saying that. I'm going to say he's a mule instead. Instead of saying he's a dog, I'm going to say he's a mule. And go follow him right now and go get that work in. Go get that work in. He got you. Next was AJ. AJ is someone who has made a tremendous impact on me in my life and has had an impact on a lot of people's lives. I met AJ and I thought I was working hard at basketball and life on my brand. He's someone that I looked to and was like, damn, I'm not going hard enough. And he has always been that person that pushed people to do more and to be more. And he was also in the live earlier pushing me even to this day, you know, letting me know that the work that I'm putting in now, I'm on live, and let me know the work that we're creating and the effort that we're creating to make this bigger and to create this nationally recognized event and create this community is going to pay off in 1 or 2 years. I just got to keep working at it. I want you guys to go and follow him, go work out with him. If you're in the New York area, go travel to work out with him, go join his team. He has countless AAU teams, countless players, high-level players from all ages that can really attest to AJ's character and attest to who he is as a person, who he is as a man, and who he is as a friend. Really has a lot of experience in basketball and in coaching and in training, and I'm excited for you guys to work with him. After that, our man Dave Marino tapped in with us. Angelo tapped in with us. Tyreek tapped in again. Raphael tapped in. Hudson tapped in. Brian tapped in. And those are the people who got the free shirts. Unfortunately, we're not doing shout-outs for those, but I appreciate you, David. I appreciate you, Angelo. Again, you'll see Angelo on my page. We have a video together. You can find his ads. Tyreek, you already know what it is. Raphael, I appreciate you. Hudson, thank you so much. Brian, thank you so much. You my guy, bro. BD, tap in with him too. Just to, incentivize and especially thank the people who spent their hard-earned money with me. I appreciate you. Make sure you win from within today. Maybe you'll get one next National Mule Day, because the shop is now closed, and the only way you can get a mascot tee is if you see me in person. So pop up to the pop-up, and come see me, come meet me, let's talk, let's connect, and let's interact in the real world. I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys for making this National Mule Day the best it could be. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Let's win from within. Let's continue to work. Let's continue to grind. And let's get to where we want to be in life.